Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Well, as you can see, I'm standing in a Gingerbread Fantasyland. For this tablescape, I'm using lots of gingerbread houses and my favorite, Gingerbabies. I'm also accenting with candy canes and peppermints. So let's take a look around the table. For my gingerbread tablescape, I'm using a red tartan plaid, and I'm going to pair with it these gold reverse painted chargers. We found these a few years ago at a thrift store, and they've got holly berries, ribbons, and different Christmas scenes. This one has the snowman. I don't really have any with gingerbread, but we're going to cover the center up anyway. And I like the way that the border looked with my peppermint dinner plates. I found these little cuties this year at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to be pairing a different plaid. As long as they're red and green, I think it's fine just to mix them. And so these don't really match the tablecloth, but I thought they blended pretty. And then I had these cute little gingerbread, I guess maybe dessert plates. They say cookies for Santa, but I just decided to buy a whole set. And I got these at Walmart this year. And I thought they were so cute. For the glasses, I have these candy stripe little, I guess they're almost a parfait glass. And then I also have a little gingerbread straw. I got these a number of years ago at Dollar Tree, and even though they're just plastic, I think they're so cute. I use them anyway. And then I'm also going to use my ruby red glasses. And for the flatware today, I'm going to be using my red. For the centerpiece, I've used one of my floral designs. In the center, there's a ginger baby. He's standing there with his little scarf on, holding a candy cane. And I have these cute little flocked poinsettias. They're kind of trimmed in pipe cleaners, I guess. They have sort of a vintage feel. And I've got these cute little lollipops. And there's gingerbread ribbon in it too, with little gingerbread cookies and houses. People always ask me where I got my gingerbread men, and all of my Gingerbabies came from everywhere. I always tell people I got them everywhere. Department stores, I found them of course at Hobby Lobby, Walmart, thrift stores, Goodwill, all sorts of places. So I always keep my eyes open for Gingerbabies. And if you saw my previous video, that's what I call them. Instead of gingerbread men, I call them my Gingerbabies. I've added to my collection, this is one of the pieces I added this year. I found this cookie jar at Hobby Lobby, and I thought it was so cute. And I've put it on a red Mosier cake stand so that I can get a little height. And then on this side, I have this gingerbread house. I found it a few years back at Bath & Body. And I have it on a red cake stand also, but on a square one. And this little gingerbread house holds a candle, I believe. And here on the side, I've got some ginger baby ornaments. This is a little gingerbread house here with a handle. This is a little ginger baby with a red hat on. He's a cookie jar. And I've mixed in candy stripe and peppermint candles. And these are just some little wrapped gingerbread houses that I think I got at Dollar Tree a few years ago. I thought they were sort of cute. Here's a ginger baby. He's got on his chef's hat. And I believe this gingerbread house is for a candle. Now these gumdrop trees I've had for several years, and they're not real gumdrops, but they certainly look so. And I think the peppermint candles are so pretty with all of this. You've got to have some candies to go along with the gingerbread and the Gingerbabies. Here's a little gingerbread dish. And another house. I think I found that one at Goodwill this year. And this little ginger baby, he's juggling peppermints. This little cookie jar is a ginger baby, and he's giving away. Isn't he too cute? Here I've got a gingerbread teapot with a candy cane handle. I've got some candles that have peppermints in them. And I believe I have a pair of these little gingerbread houses. I found those at Marshall's one year. Here's another little gingerbread votive holder. Got a sugar and creamer. Another little gingerbread house. And I love this cake stand here. It's got the red and white swirl candy cane, and Mother found me that, I believe. And here's another gingerbread house that's a cookie jar. And I'm just put some more candy cane candles with this little ribbon candle holder. It looks like ribbon candy, I think. And on the chairs, I have these cute little plush ginger babies, and I've just hung one on each chair. There's another gumdrop tree. Mother said you could let a little bit of the tablecloth show, and I thought, nah, what's the fun of that? Here's another gingerbread house, and this is a little gingerbread box that opens up, and I think there's a little train inside. And here in the arrangement, I love the little sugar cubes. I think they're so cute. Sugar cubes on stems. Got another peppermint little cake stand. One day I was in TJ Maxx, and my nephew, who was little at the time, rounded the corner with that in his hand and said, "Uncle, wouldn't you like this?" And I said, "I sure do. Put it in the buggy." And sitting on it, I've got another gingerbread man and a pitcher. And I think this is so cute. It's a little candle with the baking sheet under the ginger baby, like you just pulled him out of the oven. Here's another little gingerbread dish. My collection just keeps on growing. It's outgrown the breakfast room table, so I thought I would do it in here in the dining room where I could show you more of it. And believe it or not, there's still a few more pieces that I could not squeeze on, no matter how hard I tried. Here on the front of the picture, you can see there's a little ginger baby. And I've got a cute little gingerbread man that's standing up back here. He's a little tray. This collection spans about 20 years, so I didn't go out and find all this year or even over the last couple of years. Like I said, I've been collecting for about 20 years. And so that's what this collection represents, a 20-year search. But anytime I see Gingerbabies, whether it's summertime or Christmas time, anytime, I buy them and save them up. I used to do gingerbread houses years ago when I had more time, but I found that these glass cookie jars suffice for now. But one of these days maybe I'll get around to making another gingerbread house, a real one anyway. And hanging from the chandelier, I've got some Gingerbabies. They're just made of lightweight foam, and so they don't weigh very much. And I've hung those from the chandelier. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave me a comment below, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with a friend. Be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, wishing you a Merry Christmas. Bye-bye now.